Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use Klarna One Time Card for online purchases. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Guys, so I'm on the official Klarna website. So where can you use the one-time card? So at any Visa card accepting online store in the US, just search for your favorite store in the search bar, create an one-time card and use it to check out. So you have to search any Visa card accepting online store in the US. So if I just go to health and clothing, I can just, for example, I just select shoes, and if I want to select the first shoe right here, I'm just gonna look for a website that allows Visa checkout. So I can just go to this website, create a one-time checkout, and make an online purchase on this website using the Klarna one-time card. So yeah, guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.